Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. I wholeheartedly welcome you on this video. Today guys, I will explain you an innovative product review. So guys, are you ready to grasp an unbiased Bundara mask reviews? Guys, once my review gets complete, you will get to know whether the product is a legit or a scam. So guys, let's start with the video. You will going to get everything about the product. So guys, if you have ever experienced fraud over any order, then watch till the end. You will going to know how to get back your money. Guys, watch the video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Guys, see the pictures of the product. It will surely mesmerize you. It will give you a soothing experience. The product images talks about the amazing appeal about the product. It is a mask which helps you to secure yourself from the virus attack. As you know, the pandemic is going on, so it will secure you from the various problems. If you talk about the product, the mask is available in 3-layer mask including 2 filters, which is presently available. So guys, are you looking for filter mask to secure your life from pandemic attack? If yes, explore Bundara, as it has multiple option face masks for you. Guys, the website is working from past 9 years and enjoying millions of users. So guys, if we talk about the product, it has pH 2.5. It is available for communities, for adults, adjustable 3-layer face mask including 2 filters at 2.2 4.95. You can pre-order it. You can order it in bulk or it as 1 or 2 as per your convenience. Then there is free gift is also available if you spend more than $180. It is available at every areas at your place. Or if we talk about the product specification, it is 100% authentic indigenous artwork, ethically and sustainably sourced, and support indigenous employment. So guys, when we talk about the pros of the product, that is its advantages, it is available with discounts. That heavy discounts and massive offers is there. You can secure up to 15%. It is made up of 160 bamboo polyester. That is something very great. It has cotton lining which will never give you a bad effect. It will help you out in your sweating also. It is made up of PM 2.5 activated carbon filter that is presently working in this situation. So guys, the product has multiple offers too. So guys, let's talk about the important points in which we can judge this product as a legit or a scam one. Guys, as per our investigation, the web product is 9 years old and it has millions of followers, and it claims to be a part of the customer's world with great feedback. It is available on Facebook and Instagram page, and it claims to be a renowned player in the world of mask. Plus guys, it has good customer reviews and positive ratings. So guys, yes, in my opinion, the product is a legit one, as it is socially available. It has social media presence. It is available on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter with good ratings, good reviews. Customers are very happy and satisfied. Plus it is enjoying the social media presence with its promotions too. So guys, yes, it is legit in my point of view. Plus it has all the information in the Google. So guys, yes, you can easily buy the product. You can get back your money by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over again and again so that it help you out. So keep commenting. Please like and subscribe this video. If you haven't not subscribed the video yet, please subscribe it now. The channel. Be informed and be safe.